Hi everybody, it is April and I am in my craft room and I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I have a project. This is Oliver. He's usually outside playing around when I shoot my videos, so you don't see him as often as you see Peanut. I have a project. A friend of mine at work has decided that he wanted his son to have a shirt and a card made. And these two don't get along, so this should be interesting, for his son's birthday. And so, even though it was last minute, I said that I would do it. So I need to take this shirt and put something on it, which I've got the design. I'm going to cut that out, and then he also wants that same design on his son's card. So I need to get my desk cleared off. This is kind of a video log type thing. Vlog, I guess is what it's called. This is very exciting. I am waiting for my mouse to recharge on one machine and this to install updates on my Cricut software. I'm making a lot of progress. And Vader Yoda. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do, I've got my heat press all heated up. Press this. Aside. Weed this. Okay, so before it just, I am not as good at weeding regular vinyl as I am heat transfer vinyl. Alright. Oh wow, this is Cricut vinyl. It's nice. It's easy to weed. Sure. speak too soon. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Okay. Now, I need a piece of transfer tape. Which is, sorry, I'm gonna hand back here. This is actually Caesar transfer tape. Like I said, I am not a big regular vinyl fan. But I've heard people speak very highly about this transfer tape. So, let's see what happens. I have a feeling this is going to stick. When it sticks, it's going to stick. Alright. And I'm using vinyl on my card, as unconventional as that may sound, because vinyl cuts out way easier than paper when you get little things like this. So, now, let me go see about my print.